Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best budget speakers for turntable you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many budget speakers for turntable and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each budget speakers for turntable, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss what to consider when buying budget speakers for a turntable. First, focus on sound quality, because even affordable speakers should deliver clear and balanced audio that complements vinyl's warm tones. Next, check the power and connectivity options. Some turntables need powered speakers with built-in amplifiers, while others can connect to passive speakers through an external amp. Size and design also matter, since compact speakers can fit smaller spaces without sacrificing sound depth. Look for sturdy build quality to ensure durability and less vibration interference. Additionally, consider features like Bluetooth capability if you want wireless convenience without extra cables. Finally, set a realistic budget that balances performance and price, avoiding extremely cheap models that compromise sound clarity. Choosing wisely helps you enjoy your vinyl collection at its best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful audio tips.